To use Best Egg Debt Consolidation. Start by understanding what debt consolidation is and how it works. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate and a single monthly payment. Best Egg is a financial services company that offers personal loans for debt consolidation. First, check your credit score as it will determine the interest rate you qualify for. Best Egg requires a minimum credit score of 640, but a higher score will result in a lower interest rate. You can check your credit score for free on various websites. Next, gather all your debt information, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each debt. This will help you determine how much you need to borrow and which debts to prioritize. Make a list of your debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Now, visit the Best Egg website and fill out the online application. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, employment, and debt details. Best Egg will use this information to determine your eligibility and offer you a loan amount and interest rate. Once you are approved, review the loan terms carefully, including the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment term. Best Egg offers loans with terms of 3 to 5 years and interest rates ranging from 5.99 to 29.99%. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions before accepting the loan. After accepting the loan, Best Egg will disburse the funds to your bank account, which you can then use to pay off your debts. Make sure to pay off your debts with the highest interest rates first to save the most money on interest. Finally, make your monthly payments on time to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Best Egg offers an auto-pay option, which can help you stay on track with your payments. By following these steps and using Best Egg Debt Consolidation, you can simplify your finances, reduce your debt burden, and achieve financial stability.